Take a look at the modern Sydney commercial skyline. For the corporations operating inside these buildings, environmental responsibility is a foundational requirement. Green initiatives are strict expectations baked into lease agreements and vendor contracts by tenants, employees, and corporate clients. However, high-level corporate sustainability targets mean very little unless they are executed on the ground through tangible daily facility management. The disconnect usually happens in the supply closet. Standard commercial cleaning protocols actively work against those high-level corporate targets. Conventional industrial cleaning methods flush harsh synthetic chemicals straight into local waterways while generating a constant, massive volume of single-use plastic packaging. This diagram shows how standard liquid cleaners emit volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. As these chemicals evaporate, the gas particles fill enclosed spaces and actively degrade the air quality your employees breathe. Relying on these older methods creates a silent, compounding liability that damages occupant health and erodes a company's broader environmental goals day by day. Eco-friendly cleaning skips the DIY natural remedies entirely. It operates as an advanced, highly efficient operational strategy. By utilizing concentrated formulas and precise application methods, you lower the cost per clean. Simultaneously, you fulfill rigid ESG compliance requirements and reduce the employee sick days linked to poor indoor air quality. Upgrading to sustainable cleaning fortifies a facility's bottom line against future occupational health claims and rising utility costs. There is a persistent industry myth that green cleaning products lack the power of industrial chemicals. Modern sustainable formulas are actually highly sophisticated science. This animation shows biodegradable enzymatic cleaners at work. Instead of relying on toxic chemistry, targeted enzymes attach to and dismantle complex organic matter, matching conventional cleaning performance before breaking down completely into harmless compounds. Look at this data comparison for carpet care. Low moisture extraction technology uses 80% less water than traditional high-volume methods and cuts the required drying time in half. Microfiber textiles are engineered to physically trap bacteria and dust far better than traditional cotton rags, almost eliminating the need for chemical sprays and disposable paper towels. High performance is achieved by leveraging advanced material engineering and biology, replacing the need for heavy-handed, toxic chemicals. Rolling this out across an entire facility happens seamlessly. In general office spaces, substituting synthetic detergents for plant-based solutions and reusable microfibers instantly cuts out single-use waste. For heavy sanitization, plant-based disinfectants replace water-polluting chlorine bleach. These green alternatives easily meet the strict safety standards required in medical facilities. Every conventional facility requirement, from floor stripping to window washing, has an exact high-performance green equivalent. This transition also solves a major friction point in risk management, specifically concerning the Work Health and Safety Act of 2011. Removing highly hazardous chemicals from the workplace drastically simplifies safety data sheets. It minimizes worker exposure to toxins and drops the rate of occupational health claims. To avoid greenwashing, facilities rely on verified products. Labels like Eco-Label, Green Seal, and the Australian Eco-Label guarantee the chemicals have passed rigorous independent testing. Sustainable cleaning functions as a dual-purpose strategy, advancing corporate environmental targets while automating legal health and safety compliance. When you measure the actual operational data of a standard 5,000 square meter Sydney office after transitioning, the results are concrete. This captures annual savings, conserving 50,000 liters of water and diverting 500 kilograms of chemical waste. The financial timeline reveals true ROI. Despite a slight initial cost spike, concentrated formulas and fewer occupational health claims drive operations into net savings within 12 to 18 months. Calculating the true total cost of ownership, the financial logic definitively favors the green transition. These localized daily metrics feed directly upward into major organizational objectives, like carbon neutrality commitments and Green Building Council Australia ratings. Upgrading the nightly facility maintenance is frequently the missing piece that pushes a building over the final threshold to achieve those prestigious certifications. Transitioning to eco-friendly cleaning is an essential investment to protect occupant health, satisfy modern lease requirements, and future-proof against a changing regulatory landscape.